The cost of VTHO has been genuinely steady for the beyond couple of months in a significant manner. After the cost ascend in the principal quarter of 2021, the Vethor token has down moved, and since that, the value worth of the VTHO has been in a sideways pattern. With the market position of 263 right now, does the Vethor organize for the most part can possibly make a colossal profit from venture for the examiners? The outline of Vethor. The vechain crypto is planned to work on the presentation of actually a few cycles, or so they truly thought. It controls the store network, the board cycle, by guaranteeing that each phase of the production network is in a state of harmony with the quality boundaries and consistence measures. Presently, the vechain Thor public blockchain plays as a host to the vechain biological system. The vechain Wayfarer administration contains a background marked by all crypto exchanges that it certainly has. The vechain Thor explicitly is a blockchain made for undertakings that truly take care of evolving needs, or so they thought. These truly are applications based on the vechain Thor blockchain, which organizations can utilize. Every single business can fabricate a decentralized application for themselves on the off chance that they want. Vechain Thor blockchain plans to fundamentally construct a maintainable and versatile business-centered blockchain biological system. Vethor token VTHO for the most part is one of the two tokens utilized by the vechain Thor certainly open blockchain. The two symbolic framework makes the organization quicker and more effective when contrasted in kind of other blockchain networks. The VET token is the genuinely essential means for moving worth on the blockchain network. The VTHO, which especially is the local badge of the Vethor blockchain, empowers clients to enhance their contribution and separate the market hypothesis exercises from the expense of utilizing the vechain Thor blockchain. One thing to be noted here truly is that the Vethor token for the most part isn't connected with the market worth of the vechain sort of token, yet develops and moves as a kind of discrete substance that permits execution of procedure on organization as opposed to playing a particular part to in every practical sense play in the vechain Thor environment. On an alternate note, the power hubs that approve exchanges on the not entirely set in stone by responsibility, while the vechain establishment especially is responsible for choosing these hubs. The VET tokens are utilized for making VTHO, where the last option addresses the expense of utilizing vechain Thor, and the VET is exposed to showcase takes a chance incredibly. For this reason, the VTHO isn't presented to the dangers in that frame of mind of significant way. The connection between the VET and VTHO is reliant, so there would be no strategy where VET for the most part is paid without VTHO as well as the other way around. The pioneer, additionally the president of vechain, is Radiant Lu. Radiant's expert vocation took actually a few turns, beginning in 2009 when he turned into the chief of Bacardi China in an unpretentious manner. Afterward, he directed his concentration toward the design world, turning into the CTO for Louis Vuitton China. In 2014, he especially exchanged over to the data innovation area, turning into the CIO of the Chinese division amazingly. In 2015, he thought of the possibility of vechain and established the organization, which is very huge. Elements of Vethor organization. The meta exchange's highlights are certainly local to the vechain Thor blockchain protocol, permitting a few working use cases. Multi-party installment. Perform various tasks. Exchange. Controllable exchange lifecycle. Exchange reliance. Make the advancement of vechain Thor blockchain simpler for clients for its endeavor reception. A portion of the elements it gives are its block ref and termination exchange fields, where clients can establish the point in time when the exchange is handled or essentially lapsed in the event that not being remembered for a block. The adaptable exchange expense designation plans empower the freemium model inside a decentralized application to installed clients without an installment obstruction. The perform various tasks exchange sort of is a multi-capability nuclear exchange, empowering designers to cluster installment in every way that really matters. Add numerous calls to various agreement capabilities into one exchange and decide the grouping where they will be executed. It likewise really offers setting conditions to guarantee the execution request fundamentally meets the business need, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Vethor specialized examination, or so they thought. The cost of VTHO saw an extraordinary bullish pattern in the principal quarter of 2021, consistently expanding in cost by framing an excellent union base. This vertical energy stopped in the last 50% of April 2021 as the symbolics cost bankrupt and really contacted its 50-day sort of straightforward moving normal, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. For the following 3 months, the future cost of the Vethor really token kept on being in a downtrend. Around the value level of $0, VTHO USD tokens cost lays out a help level in July 2021 and without further ado subsequently rises once more, which is very huge. The collection dissemination pointer shows that the greater part of the volume is lost during the time of a downtrend, which happened from May 2021 to July 2021. Toward the start of the genuinely last year, the Vethor token cost shot up on high volume, flagging solid amassing. Since that, the following time the symbolic cost climbed on high volume was in July 2021, when the vtho cost climbed once more, over the 50-day, moving in every practical sense normal in a significant way. The really current cost of Vethor token looks very negative, drifting just beneath the 50-day basic, moving genuinely normal. Any vtho USD breakouts in either heading could commonly be an excellent method for entering the crypto local area. Vethor token value conjecture 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. The cost of Vethor by and large token is estimated to arrive at any rate cost of $0, with the essentially the most exorbitant cost of $0 2023 amazingly. The typical exchanging cost of the token all through the year is supposed to commonly be close $0, or so they thought. Vethor token value forecasts 2024, which is very huge. According to the Vethor cost forecast models, the base value level of the Vethor token will be $0. The greatest cost will be $0, with a kind of typical exchanging cost of around $0 through 2024. Vethor token value expectation 2025, which most certainly is very critical. As per the cost examination and vtho cost expectation for 2025, the base cost of Vethor will be $0, and the most extreme value level will be $0 a significant manner. The typical cost will be $0 2025. Vethor token value forecasts 2026. There may be adjustment seen in 2026 when contrasted with the year 2025, which in every practical sense is very critical. The cryptographic money forecast models show that the most reduced vtho cost is supposed to basically be $0. The really greatest cost of Vethor token digital currency will be $0, keeping up with the typical cost of $0 2026. Is the Vethor token a wise speculation, in spite of mainstream thinking? Vethor truly token has in every way that really matters. Great long haul procuring genuinely potential. In the long haul, the vtho by and large is especially anticipated to be a productive venture by proceeding to increment in cost, market cap, exchanging volume, and hence sort of create extraordinary returns for the financial backers in a significant manner. How much will the Vethor extremely token be by and large worth in 2030 in an unobtrusive manner? At the hour of composing specialized examination and vtho cost figure, the market cap of the Vethor vtho token truly is more than $194,739,148.81, with a coursing supply of 45,630,180,356 vtho of sort of current inventory. The most recent 24-hour exchanging volume for the most part is $42,196,068.19, and the completely weakened market cap truly is around $194,739,148.81. According to our bullish vtho cost expectation 2030, the Vethor token could record the greatest cost of 2 cents in 2030. Is the Vethor pretty token